Hi folks, welcome to the next video in which we're having a look at code, the function code and the function character. They are opposites. So if you look on D5, we go from the code, which is 123, to the character, and if we go from character, the greater than sign, to 62. So the formula to get the 123 into this character is, in Excel we always start a function with an equal sign, is equal to char, or character, stands for character, and we give it as a parameter the code, the number, which is a decimal number 123. I have mentioned this before, that the printable characters start actually at 32, which is the space. So I'm going to start at 33, which is the first character that is visible, which is the exclamation mark. The 33 converts to, if I use that same formula, is equal to character of B9, and B9 is this decimal 33, and that gives us the exclamation mark. In previous videos I showed the conversion to binary and to hexadecimal. So 33 in binary is 100001, and in hexadecimal it is 21, which actually means 2 times 16 plus 1 is 32, plus 1 is 33. And so for the whole screen that you see here, I have done the same all over. So if we see the capital A is decimal code 65, and the binary 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1, which is the 1 and 5 zeros is 64, plus 1 is 65. And in the hexadecimal number it is 41. This is actually quite a simple operation to go from code to character, and from code to binary, or and these are all decimal numbers. So from decimal to hexadecimal, I use the formula which we mentioned before, decimal to hex, and to go to binary it's decimal to bin, and we give it the parameter, in this case F16, which is the code, the decimal code, or the decimal number 65. And so we go right up to the full byte is 127, and then we go into the extended code, which is from 128 onwards. So if I go to 128 in this case, we go from 128, the extended character code, all the way to 227, and we can go a little bit more. If I put 200 here, it will go to 255, and then you see all sorts of errors because there is no more ASCII characters for numbers greater than 255. That's why all this is in a value error. Going back to 33, the first character code goes up to 127 ASCII code, and here we see that all the characters on our keyboard, so on the top of your letters, these characters, then we've got 0 to 9, and from 64, or should I say 65 onwards, we first have the capital letters, then a few symbols, and then we go from the lowercase characters all the way to the little, or the lowercase z, and a couple more characters such as the open braces, closed braces, and piping character. So basically it's not very difficult to do and to understand. You go from code, you give the first character is the first conversion is from code to character, using the is equal to character with the parameter of the number that we give it, and to go from character to the number to the to go from character to the number, we give it the is equal to code, and we give it a parameter, and the parameter is the character that we want to convert to a code. And that is basically all that there is to be said about the function character and the function code. And that is what I wanted to show you. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Thank you.